This is another way to marinate chicken in Thai street food style. Today, let's make turmeric grilled chicken or ไก่ย่างขมิ้น Hello everyone, it's Pam and welcome to Thai Girl in the Kitchen. Lovely to have you here and let's get to the recipe. This recipe is for a kilogram of chicken. Use whatever part you like. I grabbed a barbecue pack, which is the mix of drumsticks, wings, and thighs. Clean them, and then we're gonna set them aside. For herbs, we're gonna be using black peppercorns, coriander seed, a turmeric, the star of all the herbs in this recipe. If you don't have the fresh turmeric, you can also use the powder instead. And if you're using powder, we're going to be using about 2 tablespoons. But I still do recommend a fresh one since we want that unique taste and the essence from the turmeric. Garlic and 2 coriander roots. For seasonings, we want the soybean seasoning sauce, this one, Golden Mountain. You can substitute with Maggie or use light soy sauce. Chicken seasoning powder, palm sugar, and salt. Okay, we're gonna toast the black peppercorns and the coriander seed. Put in the pan or small pot using medium heat. Then we wanna keep it moving, and this should take around a few minutes or until you see the coriander seed turn a little brown. We do this to enhance the fragrance, also make it easier to grind. Grind them finely. We don't want to bite into a big chunk of peppercorns. Turmeric. Since my mortar is really small, it's a little more difficult to pound without peeling and cut these herbs into smaller pieces first. If you have a stone mortar and pestle or the bigger one, you can skip this and just pound the whole thing. Put in the mixing bowl. Follow with 4 tablespoons seasoning sauce. If you're using light soy sauce instead, use only 2 tablespoons because it's saltier than the seasoning sauce. One teaspoon chicken seasoning powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons palm sugar. Mix them up. Use the spoon to help breaking and melting the palm sugar. For chicken, use a small knife to poke them, especially between the flat bones. Now give them the nice massage. Try to massage the sauce into the areas that we poke. We're gonna wrap and put in the fridge. Marinate for at least 3 hours, and if you have time, better leave it overnight. I have a few types of barbecue marinade I made last night along with the dipping sauce. For Thai barbecue, we usually use these two sauces, Nam Jim Seafood and Nam Jim Jiao, which I already put the links in description along with other recipes for Thai barbecue and how to cook sticky rice in microwave to eat with grilled chicken and pork, so you can check it out later. Then it's time to grill. You can also use the oven to grill 180 degrees Celsius for half an hour, then flip and leave it for another 20 minutes. But for any grilled menu, I recommend charcoals. It just tastes better in my opinion. What do you like better? Oven grill or charcoal grill? Let's share in the comments. And now my most favorite moment, eating time. It tastes so herby. Turmeric has quite strong taste, but it tastes so good along with coriander and everything else. I hope you like it and try it out soon. Thank you very much for watching. Have a relaxed day and see you again next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ